Well, good morning, my ladies and my gents. Welcome to Monday morning. It is now about 20 after 9, and I have the uh, votes written down on little slips of paper to give you an idea of what I got. It wasn't that many. Kind of, I was hoping for more just to make it a little more fun, but I've got 21 total. Uh, those of you that I've got two drawings for the kits, one for the Mustang and one for the Foose. And those of you who said congratulations first, thank you very much. But didn't indicate a kit, I threw you all in with for the $20 gift certificate as well. And after I draw for the two kits, I'll throw everybody's name in and draw for the $20. So everybody's got a chance. So without further ado, let me get the camera turned around so that we can kind of watch and see what happens. Good luck, everybody. Okay, first of all, we have the Foose FD100 pickup. I'm told it's a 55. I haven't looked that closely at it, but looking at it, having it stashed here, I just may have to wind up getting me one. That actually does look kind of cool. But at any rate, I have the names of y'all who indicated you were more interested in the Foose, and kind of mixing them up here just to draw, and then we'll just, I'm looking through this, we'll grab one and see what we have. Tiffany at Dirt Road Cinderella. Congratulations, Tiff, you won your pickup. Yeah, that was okay. So let me get things set up, and I will then draw in for the Mustang. Hang tight. Okay, now time for the Mustang drawing. Here we go. Mustang is Boomer Scale Models. Congratulations, Boomers. Y'all got the you got the Mustang. Congratulations. Hang tight, and we'll do the $20 VCG Resins gift certificate. Let me get that set up. Okay, here's what we're going to do. I had several of y'all that basically said congratulations, thank you very much for that, I appreciate it, but didn't indicate a preference for a kit. So I included y'all in for the drawing. These are those from the Mustang, and then we have the ones for the Foose. We're going to lump them all together, all of y'all together, mix it up, jumble it all up, mix it, jumble it. Whoops, lost a couple. So this is for a $20 gift certificate for VCG Resins. And if you go on his site and look, he's got a number of wheel sets that are neighborhood of $15 to $20. All of his engines range between $22 and $24. I think the diesel engines, you have to get a separate transmission in addition to, and they aren't very expensive, like $4, $5, $6. Excuse me. So we are going to go with the $20 gift certificate, and I'm just going to grab one here and see what we got. We have Mark's Model Junkyard. Congratulations, Mark, on the VCG $20 gift certificate. Folks, what I need y'all to do and I'll have the my email address in the description. I need y'all to shoot me an email with your Tiffany at Dirt Road Cinderella, and oh shoot, I've already forgotten. I'm horrible with names, guys. Boomer Scale Models. Boomer, you guys, I need you to send me an email with your mailing address so I can get these out to you. Over here at Mark's Model Junkyard, I need an email from you as well with your full name and the city that you live in. I'll send you back an email with the code, the discount code, the $20 code, and I'll also let Josh over there at VCG know that you want it, and so that he can verify that it is you that's using it, just as a double check to make sure somebody else didn't get a hold of it somehow. So anyway, that's Josh asked me to do that when he offered the code. So, well, folks, that's it, and I thank y'all for the support, and get this thing put together, and I will post this. This will be posted right about 11 o'clock, and that'll give me time to do a little bit of production here to get everything together as smoothly, and well, as smoothly as y'all have come to expect, I think. Anyway, thanks a whole bunch for all the support. Thanks for the kind words. I am feeling better. Finally have broke the bronchitis bit that came along after the flu, and I'm not hacking all the time. So yeah, I'm feeling a lot better. Y'all be careful out there. It's warming up. Hopefully y'all are getting warm enough where things are starting to thaw out a little bit. But I will talk to y'all in the next one. B-Tex signing out.